Samsung has silently announced its new smartphone under a series in the European market called Galaxy A16, with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy A16 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Exynos 1330 chipset, or MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset in some other region. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1.5 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Galaxy A16 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and there is 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, with One UI 6.1 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of security updates and 6 generations of OS updates. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A16 5G has been listed to be priced in France at €249, and it will be available for purchase in midnight blue, turquoise, and gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A16 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.